Welcome to Design by Geeks. I love this little Halloween gift box. It's so cute for holding candy, gifts, party favors. You can buy the SVG design at the link in the video description, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. Cut out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. There's the box, the face, and the little neck bolts. You're going to start by pre-folding your box along the score lines. After pre-folding your box, you're going to start assembling the face. You're going to start by gluing down the neck bolts. Place a little dot of glue at each end. And then attach those behind the face, making sure to get them even so they're about the same height on each side. You're then going to glue the face to the front of your box. So you'll place glue on the back. And then attach it to the front, aligning it with that bottom scored edge. Make sure you don't put any glue on the neck bolts because when the box is folded, you want it to stick out. Next, you're going to apply glue to this side tab here. And then form your box shape. And just press down until the glue holds. Next, we're going to fold up the bottom of the box. So we bring in these 3 tabs and we fold up the bottom like so. If you want the box to be collapsible, don't use glue on those tabs. So if you wanted to be able to store your box like this, don't use any glue on the tabs. However, if you want the box assembly to be permanent and you don't want it to be collapsible, you can place glue on each of these 3 tabs before folding them up to the bottom of the box. Then you just fill your box and close your lid. You fold down the flaps, you fold down the lid. There you go, easy peasy. Happy Halloween and thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.